How to use CoinMarketCap app easy and fast full guide in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use CoinMarket. So first thing, go to the app. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Here you will find the news. As you can see, you will find the gainers and the losers of the crypto, and here the top coins. And if you want to see more about cryptos, just go to this page right here, click here, and you will find all the cryptos right here. And if you want to check the exchanges, just click here in the top. And if you want sectors, also here in the top. And if you want to edit your profile here, just go here down, click on this settings option and click account settings. Here you can change email, display name, everything. And also if you want the referral program of this app, it's here, just click on it and you will be able to join the program. And also if you want to turn on the dark mode, just click here. As you can see, now it's turned on the dark mode. And here you can find, as I said, everything. You can change the language, the currency, you can manage security from here, and also there's many options. It's very easy to use, just go and start using it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.